Most people who want to build a home or an investment property get stuck on the financing piece. But in this video, I am going to walk you through step by step the process for a construction loan so that you can walk into any bank and know with a high level of confidence that you will walk out of that bank with your construction loan fully approved. Let's get started. First off, let's define what a construction loan is. Why can't you just get a mortgage to build a home? Well, mortgages and construction loans are set up slightly different. A mortgage is typically a 20 to 30-year loan, whereas a construction loan is for a short period of time, typically 1 to 5 years, and the money will be released incrementally, not in one lump sum. How it works in plain English, the banks won't give you one lump sum. They're going to give you what is called a draw. The draw is going to be a schedule that you are going to create with your builder or your general contractor, and it is a schedule for release of funds. If your foundation is done, time for the foundation draw. If your framing is done, time for the framing draw. And the bank will approve these draws at every stage. The good thing about this setup is you're not paying on all the money in one lump sum. You're paying them for the money as you need it. The bank's also going to require inspections, so they will typically send somebody out, or they will have you send them pictures. As you're accomplishing something, you'll send them a picture to show that the work has been completed. As you progress further and further in the project, the amount of money that you've pulled down is going to increase, so your interest rate will get higher, but initially you will be paying little to no interest after your closing costs until you start pulling draw money in. What does the bank care about in order to give you this loan? They want to know that you have a great architectural design with a building permit and that your budget is accurate. You still will want to build in some level of reserves. The bank is also going to want an experienced builder. They typically have a process that they will vet your general contractor or vet your GC to make sure that he's capable of doing this build. Next thing they're going to want to see is your creditworthiness, whether you're applying for this loan as a business or a individual, FICO score, income, revenue, all of that is going to be important. Last thing they may or may not require is some level of equity from you, depending on how you structure it. If you own the land, you should be able to get the construction funded 100%. If you do not own the land, the bank may require 10 to 20% equity from you. At the end of the loan, the bank will convert it into a permanent mortgage. So they will take the loan that had a 2-year term on it and they will give you a new loan that has a 30-year term on it. Now you know the basics of how to get a construction loan. If you want more information, comment below. I can do a longer video. I've done tens of millions of dollars in construction loans in the last 10 years. Thanks for watching. Hope you got value out of this video.